Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for real-world reviews, smart buying decisions, and in-depth looks at products that make a difference. Today, we're checking out the best kick scooter adjustable height scooter on the market right now. The Glamup Kids 2-in-1 Folding Kick Scooter, a versatile ride for children aged 3 to 14. If you're considering a fun, reliable, and safe ride for your little one, you'll want to watch this till the end. Let's jump straight in. Visually, the Glamup Kids scooter stands out. Available in fun, vibrant colors like blue, pink, and purple, its sleek frame and wide three-wheel setup offer a nice mix of modern design and old-school scooter fun. But this scooter isn't just about the looks, it's packed with thoughtful features that make it as functional as it is stylish. One of the highlights is its 2-in-1 design. So, parents, if you're tired of products that require a full toolbox just to get started, you're going to love this. The scooter grows with your child thanks to the adjustable handlebar height. Whether your child is just starting out at age 3 or gliding confidently at 14, the Glamup scooter adapts right alongside them. It's designed to last through years of development and fun. Let's talk about safety and durability. The handle is built with a sawtooth thickening design, which makes it wear-resistant, shock-absorbing, and non-slip, giving your kid a firm and comfortable grip while riding. It's extra wide, providing plenty of foot space and stability for younger and older riders alike. It's made tough to handle rough surfaces and energetic play sessions. Glamup uses a lean-to-steer technology, similar to how you'd ride a surfboard or ski. This not only makes turning smoother but helps young riders improve balance and coordination. Whether your child is new to scooters or already has experience, this scooter makes riding intuitive and enjoyable. The bearings are made from quality materials that offer a smooth, quiet, and durable ride. And it's engineered to handle all types of terrain, so whether it's sidewalks, driveways, or park paths, the Glamup scooter is ready for action. We also appreciate how portable it is. When folded, it becomes easy to carry or stash away in the trunk or closet. It's a great option for city trips, weekend park visits, or just cruising the neighborhood. And yes, it's built for all seasons. Whether it's sunny spring mornings or brisk fall afternoons, this scooter is designed to help kids enjoy the outdoors year-round. The 110-pound weight limit ensures it supports most kids up to early teens, making it a solid long-term purchase. The Glamup Kids scooter brings together safety, adaptability, and ease of use in one slick package. If you're looking for something that's beginner-friendly but can keep up with your child as they grow, this scooter is a fantastic choice. Easy setup, durable design, and a smooth ride, this scooter checks all the boxes. And that wraps up our review today. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Product Critique, and tap the bell so you don't miss our next honest review. Let us know in the comments if your kid has tried this scooter or if you've got questions we didn't cover. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.